Hi everybody, welcome to the EduFriends Afrikaans reading course. This is book 9 of phase 4. The title is Somer, which in English means summer. In English we would say, in the summer we do fishing. And in Afrikaans, in die somer hengel ons. In die somer hengel ons. The trees have lots of leaves. Die bome het baie blare. Die bome het baie blare. We camp in the summer. Ons kampeer in die somer. Ons kampeer in die somer. They swim in the summer. Hulle swem in die somer. Hulle swem in die somer. We have picnics in the summer. Ons hou piknik in die somer. Ons hou piknik in die somer. This is our summer clothes. Dit is ons somersklere. Dit is ons somersklere.